Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Lendwise mortgage account online. Logging and accessing your mortgage account for Lendwise is a straightforward process, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in mylendwise.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the login interface for Lendwise. To log into your mortgage account, go ahead and enter your username on the left hand side of the screen. On the next field, type in your account's password associated with your Lendwise account. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on Remember Me. If not, leave the box unchecked. Finally, click on the login button in order to sign in to your Lendwise account. Now you can easily manage your mortgage account, view your payment schedule, transactions, and much more. That is how you can easily sign in Lendwise Mortgage in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.